let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, let's open it from here. Wow, I'm so excited. As you guys know, if you check on my other video, you can see the unboxing of an iPod Touch 16GB version. As I've already sold that iPod because I don't quite like it, and I got a Nokia 5800 Express Music. So anyways, here's the plastic box. Let's put it aside for a moment. Okay. It comes with a pretty decent earphones. Looks nice. Anyways, so let's check it out inside. So you got the, usual stuff that you get. Okay. The fact that people don't actually read the instruction manuals. Oh, cool. You get the Walkman docked, like the ones with the iPod. USB cable for you to transfer songs and videos. Some crap's Arabic, Chinese, English, Japanese, I guess, Korean, whatever. Anyways, this is what you get in Malaysia. USB cable, the dock connector. So yeah, box, the warranty card. Nice. Okay, so basically this thing comes with a 2-inch color LCD, FM radio, something like clear audio technologies, FM with recording capabilities. So let's open it up. Ooh, I love the smell of new stuff. Wow, this is cool. Totally awesome. This is the violet color. It's very beautiful, I guess. Looks nice. Comes with a plastic digital media stuff. Hope you can read that. The Walkman logo. It's a bit shiny. It has the sparkling stuff. White tie fair. Okay, so that's just it. Oh, he got the volume button here. The whole button, not sure what it does actually. Back button, option, play, navigation key. Before I forgot, this is the 4GB version. It comes with a rechargeable battery. Okay, so this is the headphones. I don't quite like this type of headphones because they fall off easily, but it's suitable for people, some normal people. Sorry. I do have though a plug-in earphone, or whatever you call that. This one. It is also made by Sony. It has a bass enhancing technology. So basically that's it. So I'll be back with the review of this the Sony E443 So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.